Thinking about selling your home in 2026? Before you schedule showings or stick a for sale sign in your yard, there are a few key things you need to do to make sure your home sells fast and for top dollar. I once worked with a seller who was eager to get the home on the market, but taking your time and making a few small improvements will not only save you time on the market, but ultimately get you more money. After a few small improvements, strategic staging, and a pricing review, they had multiple offers in less than a week. If you want results like that, here's what you should do before your home ever hits the market. Number one, start with a deep clean and declutter. Buyers want to picture themselves in your space, not feel like they're walking through someone else's life. So start by removing personal photos, clearing countertops, and organizing closets. A clean, clutter-free home instantly feels bigger and more inviting. Think of it like when you walk into a nice hotel room. That's the first impression we want buyers to have. It's clean and welcoming. And don't forget curb appeal, mow the lawn, trim hedges, and add fresh mulch or flowers. First impressions really matter. Number two, make smart repairs and upgrades. Focus on updates that offer the best return. Fix leaky faucets, replace burnout light bulbs, and touch up the paint. If your kitchen or bathroom is dated, small upgrades like modern cabinet hardware or a nice new backsplash can make a big difference. You don't need full renovation, but you do need to show buyers the home is well cared for and move-in ready. Number three, stage for the modern buyer. Staging isn't about making your home look perfect. It's about highlighting its potential. Arranging furniture to maximize space and flow. Use neutral tones and warm lighting. If you're not sure where to start, we offer free staging consultations. And remember, in 2026, many buyers are shopping virtually first. I invest in high-quality photographers that specialize in real estate photography, 3D tours and sky tours, videography, and walkthroughs. These assets help your home stand out in a crowded digital market. Number four, nail the price from day one. Pricing is part art and part science. In 2026, many sellers are using a combination of AI tools and local agent expertise to land on the right pricing number. Price too high and you risk sitting on the market. Price too low and you're leaving money on the table. This is where I can help out. I'll compare active listings, recent sales, and buyer demand to position your home where it will get offers fast. If you're planning to sell your home in 2026, don't wait until the last minute. Reach out now and I'll walk you through a customized prep plan to help you clean, stage, and price and launch your home the right way. Let's get it sold fast and for top dollar.